Okay, so what I'm going to walk you through is I'm going to walk you through some hexadecimal to decimal ideas, just to show you the kind of thing that happens and the kind of things we can do in these things. Okay, so let's start off with starting with denary. Okay, so I'm going to do some denary work. Denary is base 10, so my place values are 1, 10, 100, 1000. Okay, so when I write a number in denary inside these place values, I can go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When I get to 9, I've run out of digits that I can put in the place value for 1. So what I do is I put a place value into the 10 and I put a 0. When I get to 19, I'm again run out of place values, so I put a 2 into there. When I carry on doing that and I get to 99, I put a 1 into the 100 column. So denary is nice and easy. It joins everything together. Okay, we know that, we've been using it for years. So let's have a think about hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is a little bit more difficult because it has more digits. Okay, so as we saw in the lesson, the first digit value is always going to be 1. So I'm going to use the first column as my 1 value. The next one is 16 because I can go up to 15 in base 16. And then the one after that is 256. Okay, I'll show you some values for that. So what we can now do is we can go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, I can carry on going now because I can go up to 15. So I go A, B, C, D, E, F. Now I'm stuck, okay? Because now I need to put a new value in because I've got to 16 and I can't put 16 in the 1 column because that can only add up to 15. That can only go up to 15. So I put a 1 into the next column and then a 0. So 16 in denary is equal to 10 in hexadecimal. I don't say 10 because that will confuse me and I'll end up with the same kind of problems I've had before with binary when I say 10 in binary. Okay, what I mean is 1 0, 1 in the 16 column, no lots of 1. Okay, so what happens when I get to the next one? So the next breakpoint, if I redraw the table, will be a F in this column. So what I will do is I will add 1 to the 16 column and then I will put a 0. So that number there is the number that is followed by this number. Okay, so when I get up to F in this column and F in this column, I put a 1 into the 256 column and then I put 2 zeros. So 256 in denary, so 256 in denary is equal to 100 in hexadecimal. Okay, so nice easy calculations. So what you can actually do is you can work through and do conversions from denary into binary if you really want to. The main point is we actually try and make sure that we figured out what we're doing with this particular thing. Okay, so the homework that I'm setting you will have something to do with this task. Okay, I'll link it for you in class charts. You have 2 weeks to complete it. What I would suggest you do is you try and complete it as fast as you can so you don't forget about it. Okay, thank you very much for listening and please enjoy the work.